Now you take the 25th question. If the mth term of an arithmetic progression is n, nth term is m, then find the pth term. In this situation, pth term becomes, here what is given, am means mth term is n and an, nth term is m. What is asked? Pth term, AP equals, here AP is equals to sum of this m and n minus p. AP equals what? M plus n minus p. It must be about 2 marks question, but here it is given for 1 marks. So directly you can write the answer AP is equals to m plus n minus p. So then you can write pth term equals m plus n minus p. Let us prove this. Prove that if the mth term of an arithmetic progression is n and the nth term is m, then find pth term. Am is given, that is the mth term. Mth term is n and nth term is given, that is m, and question mark is for pth term. AP is equals to question mark. Here observe m and n are interchanged. In this case the answer is AP is equals to what? AP is equals to m plus n minus p. M plus n minus p is the answer. Let us prove this. Write the formula for AM. AM is equals to A plus m minus 1 into d is equals to what? N. And AN is equals to A plus n minus 1 into d, which is equals to m. Consider this is first, this is second. So let us do first minus second. Let us subtract second from first. Here change the sign of the second equation. Plus becomes minus for all the terms. A minus a cancels. M minus 1 into d minus n minus 1 into d. Take m minus 1 into d minus n minus 1 into d is equals to n minus m. Then take d common. In the bracket, here what is remaining? M minus 1 is remaining. Here n minus 1 is remaining, equals n minus m. Then d into m minus 1, open the bracket for this, as there is a negative sign before the bracket, minus n it becomes, minus into minus plus 1 equals n minus m. Then d into minus 1 plus 1 cancels, m minus n equals n minus m. Then d is equals to n minus m by m minus n, which is equals to, here m minus n is there, here n minus m is there. So in the denominator the first term is m, in the numerator the first term is n. So to have this same first term, write minus m first, then n as plus n equals m minus n. That equals, here minus sign is there, here plus sign is there. So outside the bracket you write m and change the sign of the each term here. Minus m becomes plus m, plus becomes plus n becomes minus n by m minus n. These two cancels. What is remaining here? 1, that is minus 1. So your d is equals to what? Minus 1. Then find the value of a. Write any one, am or an. Let us take am. Am is equals to a plus m minus 1 into d equals what? N. A plus m minus 1 into d means minus 1 equals n. A plus multiply m by minus 1, that becomes minus m, minus into minus plus 1 equals n. Then A is equals to transfer this minus m plus n 1 to the RHS, that becomes n plus m minus 1. Now you take pth term, AP equals AP is equals to A plus P minus 1 into D. A is n plus m minus 1, n plus m minus 1, plus you write P, you write P only, minus 1. What is the value of D? D is minus 1. Then n plus m minus 1, P into minus 1 minus P, minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. That equals plus 1 minus 1 cancels. Here what is remaining? N plus m minus p. So you got AP is equals to n plus m minus p. So here AM is equals to n, AN is equals to m, then AP is equals to what? M plus n or n plus m, n plus m minus